Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez, and today I'm going to be transforming my Christmas tree into a New Year's tree. Now, because there's only 1 week in between both holidays, I'm not going to remove any of my Christmas decor that I have anywhere here in my home, but especially not on the Christmas tree. Everything stays as is. This year I chose a color scheme that works perfectly for that. I'm going to kind of turn this whole little area into a little New Year celebration place. So I did move some stuff around. I'm going to be sharing a review on my NewAir 28 bottle compressor wine fridge. Really excited about that. This is actually a gift for my husband. The day that I'm filming this, the next day is his birthday. So after we kind of set up this area for New Year's, we are going to be moving this into his garage because this will be for him since I took over the other one in my office. Really excited to show you how I'm going to transform this whole area with just a couple of items. Now, before we move on to the review and sharing the items I have, I do want to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Like, comment, and share. That helps my channel to grow. And let's just move right on. So I know that at this point it is way past the New Year's, but by the time New Year's came around, a lot of people already didn't have their Christmas tree up anymore. So I still wanted to share this idea, that way you can keep it in mind for next year. I am turning this whole little section into like a New Year's celebration area. It's also great if you have friends and family over to take a picture over here in the side that is still very nicely decorated. Also helps you keep kind of the Christmas cozy feel just a little bit longer because you get to hold on for it for 1 more week. I do keep my Christmas decor up longer than most people. That's why it takes me a little bit longer to share these kind of videos. I went ahead and add them on there. Right now you can't see them very well because I have a very full Christmas tree. Also, because of the time of day, I did try to close half of this window so that you can see kind of what it looks like. You can see it more in person definitely than you can on camera, but I am filming with my iPhone, so it's whatever my iPhone lighting and the natural lighting kind of want to show you. I do like the way the 2021 looks down there. I did the happy up here, new and year. And now I need to go back in and I need to hide some of the tails of the banners. It doesn't look like they don't pop out as much as I thought they would. The colors still match with what I have on the tree, so I'm not even going to try and switch him to something different. I'm just going to hide any little tails, like for example right here, that one is coming out, so I'll just tuck it inside of the tree. Since my Christmas decor this year was very minimal, I'm just going to take down anything that is very obviously Christmas and make very small changes so that I can keep the winter feel of things without having to do too much. I am going to start decorating for Valentine's Day soon, so just as little as I can do is what my plan is. I'm going to start by making some changes to my round shelves. I'm taking this Christmas tree that is from 2 years ago, I think, from Target. I'm removing the burlap sack that it has at the bottom that exposed like a little cement base that it had, and I thought that fit really well with the colors that I have and with other pieces that I'm going to be adding around my home. I also switched over my book stack that said Jesus is the reason for the season over so that it was just a plain little book stack. My coffee table decor always felt very wintry to me, so all I had to do was clean up this area, remove one thing, and then I'm going to add a candle that I got from Joann's quite a while ago, and it is this adorable one. It looks like birchwood, so I love it. That's the only thing I'm adding on here. Now I'm going to go back to my round shelves. I had to kind of step away for a little bit so that I could think of what I had in my stockpile that was easily accessible to me. So all I added was a cute little pine cone sphere, and then I'm adding some more books and a candle that is exactly like the one on my coffee table. Now I am going to tie some twine around my books so that it can be kind of like a book stack, but it's going to be a standing book stack. I went ahead and just added a lot of paperback books that I had removed the covers from. I love how simple this looks. I think this is my favorite way that I have decorated my round shelves, but now it's time to move over to my mantle. I'm going to be removing my Christmas stockings, and again, just anything that screams Christmas over here, which is not a lot. This was very, very minimal as well, and I like the way this looks, so I'm going to keep pretty much the same arrangement, just making very, very small changes. I am bringing back some height to this area with this large cement looking candle holder. I love it. It is very heavy and it is large. I have a pair, but I wanted to stick to just one on this side with a simple pedestal candle. My TV stand, I always have decorated the same way. I have very small little things that I interchange seasonally. I love that because I like the way that it looks. I don't need to add too much. I can make subtle changes that add to my decor, but doesn't mean I have a lot to do in this area. Okay, so this is the decor that I took down. It's not a lot, but I didn't have a lot to begin with. I basically took out the red books that I had on my TV stand, my little tree candles that I need to put back in there because those are put in the TV stand year round. They're just hidden in the back. I took down my Merry Christmas banner, my Noel. These two trees can work for winter, but I thought they looked a lot like a Christmas tree, so I decided to take those down. I took down both of my nativities, my stockings, which I loved. I filmed a video and everything on how I made them because I did make these myself, but with everything that happened, I didn't end up posting a lot of the Christmas content that I had planned in November and December. I also took down our initial tags, and then I changed out the sign that was there. It's the exact same thing. This one just says, "Oh, come, let us adore him." I felt like this went more with the nativities. Also, the second sign I had bought to use in my kitchen, never even got to fully finish decorating my kitchen, so I still wanted to use that sign, and I just went ahead and switched that out for the one on my mantle, so I got to use them both, so plus for me. And that's basically it. I'm leaving the pillows where they are. I still have some dusting to do other than that, and cleaning, and I really need to deep clean my whole living room, but that's going to be in another video. I'm going to style my photos for my little fridge so that I have something to share on Instagram with you. On that, again, just basic stuff that I need to put away. I love the way that turned out. That's probably gonna stay there longer because I love it so much. I love the way my tree looks. One of the batteries already died on my twinkle lights, the ones that go down here. These ones still turn on, but they're on a timer, so they haven't turned on yet. And I did very little changes in here, but I love that they're subtle. I love that there's no more red. I may bring that back for Valentine's though. This box has to stay there for now because it is ridiculously heavy for me to move on my own. And I switched out to this adorable candle holder that kind of looks like concrete. It'll match with some of the other like gray items that I have. And again, this is a sign I put there. I left my mistletoe up there because I love it. I already have a plan for like early spring or spring decor of what I'm gonna do here. Very excited to share that soon. This is here because I need to make room for the fridge that I have over here. So this isn't like an ideal situation, but of course I still need that here because this is where we have our throw blankets. And that's pretty much all that I have done for winter decor this time around. Keeping it very, very simple. Again, going to take some pictures to share the rest. This is like the official final tour of it. Let me see how far I can move back. And again, keep in mind, I still have cleaning to do. I need to dust everything. I don't know if you could tell, but there was a lot of dust down here. And again, just going to style some photos and share that next. And now it's time to show off and set up my wine fridge. I absolutely love it. This was sent to me from NewAir. It is a 28 wine bottle compressor fridge. I, again, absolutely love it. I love that all the shelves are removable so you can adjust them to your wine bottle heights and however it is that you want to store them. Again, this does have a compressor so you're able to control 2 different temperatures, one on the top, one on the bottom, and it's going to maintain those temperatures regardless of the temperature around it. So I love that feature of it. Depending on what wine you have is the temperature that you set it up as. I have sparkling cider on my top one, so I left that at the coldest setting, and then in the bottom I am adding my white wines. And again, I don't know what temperature is supposed to be, but I have it set up that way. And I am going to be moving this later to my husband's garage, and he's going to store different things in his. I'll probably do an update and show you how I do that area as well, so stay tuned for that. Just like my other fridge, this does have a beautiful glass door so you're able to see what you have. I love that feature because you can kind of make everything look really nice and pretty. All of the controls are up here at the top. As you can see, I'm trying to turn what would be the light on, and I'm not able to do it because the controls are here on the screen. I think that's why they have it locked for you. Since they are sensitive, you just have to hold these 2 buttons down, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's flashing, letting me know that it's unlocking, and now I'm able to turn the light on, and it has a very beautiful blue light. It also stays on. You have to unlock it and lock it to turn it on and off. Highly recommend that. I'm going to leave a code. It is my name, Jacqueline. I do spell it a different way, so I'm going to leave that here on the screen. Check down in the description box all of the information so that you can purchase one for yourself and save some money while doing so. The fridge really completes this little New Year's celebration area for me. And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for taking time to watch it. Thank you so much to NewAir for my mini wine fridge that I am obsessed with. I hope you all had a wonderful new year, a wonderful holiday season. I plan to do so much more for this new year, so make sure that you are subscribed already to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Like, comment, and share. That helps my channel to grow. Again, check out the description box for the NewAir link and code. Thank you again, and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.